Canva has a new AI update known as Dreamlab or text to image function that helps you to convert text to images, and this is especially important if you are interested in Amazon KDP, as you can use this to create amazing images that can help you generate more income on Amazon KDP. So there are two ways of accessing this new function. You can click on Dreamlab at the bottom left hand like this to access it, or you can go back and click on the make me an image button, and you can still have access to this new function. So I'm just going to drop in my first prompt, and I'm simply asking it to generate a cartoon mixed vector of a black girl coloring an octopus in a coloring book. Next, I'm going to go ahead and change the aspect ratio like this. I'm just going to leave it at that of YouTube. That's a 16:9. Then you can go and change the design if you want a cinematic concept, a creative one, a smart one, anyone, whichever one you want. I'm just going to leave this one at smart. I'm going to leave it as smart. Then I'm going to go ahead and click create. I'm going to hit the create button and just wait for it to do its magic. If you are still watching till this point, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. So it's done creating my design, and you can see they are beautiful. So the first thing, you are going to just choose the image you want. I'm just going to choose the first one. Then I'll click on the 3 ellipses like this, then hit the download button, then click edit in a design to go ahead and edit my image. So I'll click on adjust. Here now you can decide if you want to adjust the whole images, the foreground or the background. I'll just click on the background so that I can show you how to adjust the background. You can decide to adjust the temperature of the background color, you can see, or you can decide to increase the tints or the brightness. You can also play with the contrasts and the highlights. Just go ahead and play with it until you have what you desire. So I'm just going to undo it, then go ahead and edit the entire, that is the whole image. Click on the whole image. Now you can reduce the temperature of the whole image, the tint, the brightness, and the contrast, the highlights. You can go ahead and play with all of this to just get your desired image. And if you are using this for the cover page of your Amazon KDP, you can decide to go ahead and just play with it so that you can get the most eye-catching cover page that will, convert to sales on Amazon. So I'll go ahead and play with the saturation and also tamper with the brightness. You can see the image is changing, and also the hue. I'm just going to go ahead and undo all these changes so that I can teach you more things. I'm just going to go click on undo, then remove the background of the original image. Now you can also remove the background if you like, then click on resize and custom size. I'm just going to resize this image, and if you are using it for Amazon, don't forget to change it to inches. I'm going to leave this one as pixel, then click on resize, then resize with design. I'm going to click on resize with design. So now I can actually click on the background of the image and change the color, which is another clever way of editing the image. You can see, just keep changing the background color until you get the desired color. You can also change the background to gradient. If you don't like this single colors, you can go ahead and click on any of these gradients like this, then scroll up if you like and click on colors here, then change the style of the gradient and also change the colors of the gradient. Just click on this first one. You can either reduce the intensity of the color, or you can change the entire color by manipulating it like this. You can see the colors are changing. You can go to the second gradient color, go to the second gradient color and click on it. You can also either change the color and also the intensity like this. You can see. Then, having done that, you can go ahead and share it and click on download. Don't forget, this is just a tutorial video. You can use your own discretion or whatever colors you like. Click on share, download, and then download. I'm just going to download this in PNG. Next, I'm going to go to the text to image AI tool and ask it to generate the color page for the coloring book. I'm going to leave the design as smart and leave the aspect ratio at 16:9. And now I'm just going to wait for it to generate. Now it has generated the color page for the coloring book. You can see I think I prefer the second image, so I'm just go ahead and download it, then click on edit in a design to edit it. So I'm just going to go ahead. You can see it's not that the background is not that black and white, so I'm going to go ahead and click on remove background, and now it is white, which is nice. Next, I'm going to go ahead and click on resize, and then click on custom size, change it to 720 by 720 for the width and height. Leave it at pixels. You can change this to inches if it is a coloring book. So you can see now I have resized my color page. I'm just going to go ahead and click on share, then click on download to download it. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.